Let's pick up where we left off. So we had just found some specific examples of things that people collect. Now, my question is, do you think this is enough for a complete answer to this question? I'm going to be cautious and I'm going to go back to the text and keep reading a little bit more to make sure I didn't miss anything. Because we already have some pretty specific details and examples that they gave. All right, so back in the text. Okay, feathers, some have been known to collect tiny teaspoon. Such a one was Selig. He was a collector of words. Okay, so Selig is a person, and that's another specific example of things that people collect. So I'm going to put that in my answer too, to really give it a lot of detail and depth. All right, so I would put, there was a boy named Selig, and he collected words. And I put an exclamation point there because that's an unusual thing to collect. All right, so I'm going to look at the last point right here, and it says check your work by reading it aloud to yourself to be sure it makes sense and is complete. Okay, so let's reread this. According to the story, some examples of things people collect are shells, stones, feathers, and even tiny teaspoons. There was a boy named Selig, and he collected words. I'm going to just change this a little bit. There was a boy named Selig, and he collected words. I want to communicate to the reader that Selig is not a real person, and he's part of the story. So I think I'm going to change this to, in story, there was a boy named Selig, and he collected words. Okay, I like that. That's a complete answer. And we read through the text. We read around the word, our keywords. I made sure that there was no more evidence, specific evidence for our answer. I put it in my own words, and I read it aloud one more time, and I made a little change just to be extra clear. So this is how good readers answer questions. I really hope this was helpful for you.